It's the Friends of Berrylands Nature Reserve. Basically, there's just a volunteer engaged. In this case, we're planting trees.
When I first started, it hadn't been maintained. It was way over engineered with concrete, very thick concrete. You probably know we've taken 250 tonnes of concrete out of the stream. And there were supermarket trolleys and everything, just dumped in there. And the group of volunteers have turned it round to, as you can see now, it's very much appreciated. A lovely green space for us all to enjoy. I think the favourite project was actually installing the berms either side of the river. And you can stand on the bridge now at Stirling Walk and you can look upstream and you can see virtually a sterile stream that's encased in concrete because nothing's been done on that side of the bridge. But when you look on the bridge downstream, you can see the water trickling over the gravel, speeding up round the berms. And the idea of the berms is it speeds the water up, but it also creates little pools that maybe smaller fish and fry can live in. And yeah, we've still got a lot of work to do.
A pond is an essential part of any woodland site, so it needs to be here. We just need to maintain it and enhance the benefit of it. What we don't want is fish in here. Fish will eat all the dragonflies and whatever, so hopefully keep the fish out. And the other things to keep out is dogs and ponds don't mix. Here we go. Right on cue, a dog arrives. Yeah.
If you take eels and elvers, they start their life in the Sargasso Sea. They swim 3,000 miles across the Atlantic. They come up the River Thames, they come up the Hogs Mill, and they couldn't come up the stream because there were 5 concrete barriers in the way. Now we've taken the barriers out, we've got gravel beds, so we're hoping that next year when the eels and elvers come, they'll populate the stream and they'll bring things like herons and other wildlife obviously with them, searching after the eels and elvers. But first time we see an eel and elver in the Surbiton Stream, Tolworth Brook, that'll be a great day, that'll be celebrations.